Hello everyone, and welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. Today we will learn how to block ads in Safari on your iPhone so you can enjoy a cleaner and less distracting browsing experience. Ads in Safari can sometimes be annoying and interrupt your browsing, especially when pop-ups keep appearing on your screen. Luckily, you can reduce this by enabling a simple setting on your iPhone. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the Apps option. From here, you can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Safari, then tap on it to open the Safari settings. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Now, inside the Safari settings, scroll down a little until you find the option called Block Pop-ups. Go ahead and turn this option on. Enabling this setting will prevent most pop-up ads from appearing while you are browsing in Safari. It will significantly reduce annoying pop-ups and improve your overall browsing experience. You can also explore other privacy and security settings in Safari to further enhance your browsing, such as preventing cross-site tracking. That's it. You have successfully blocked pop-up ads in Safari on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.